Hello, my name is Lisa Natalia Marin Meneses. I present my daily routine with phrasal verbs. I am 26 years old. I am from the city of Bogota, but I currently live in Guamalmeta. I live with my husband. Guamalmeta, it is a town where life is very calm. The people are friendly and smiley, and it is a street at very pretty. Every day I wake up at 4:30 in the morning. Since I like to get up early, normally I get up at 4:35. After I turn on the alarm, immediately at 4:45 I take a bath. Then at 4:55 I brush my teeth. At 5 my husband is already up. He prepared breakfast, and at 5:30 we have breakfast together. Then at 5:45 I take my dog Tay out to cuddle so that he does his needs, and incidentally I take out the garbage on the corresponding day. And at 6:15 I leave the house and get on the motorcycle in which I go to work. At 6:30 I arrive at work. I usually leave work at 12:30. Then my husband picks me up and takes me home to have lunch together. Suddenly, I bring up a topic of conversation. We chat for a week. We have lunch, and then everyone continues with their work. I go out at work at 5 p.m. and then I go home. In that space, I usually check the mail from the university, check in to see if there are classes and work pending. At night, usually at 7 p.m., we look at a place to have dinner or ask for an address, or on some occasion we prepare something. So my routine ends with a good shower at night. I brush myself and then I go to bed and rest for the other day. Thank you so much.